The smart and easy way to do your laundry. Samsung Digital Inverter Eco Bubble Washing Machine. It features crystal gloss design, Eco Bubble Soak and digital inverter technologies. Its simple and modern style, with crystal gloss design and ice blue LED display, adds an elegant look to your household. The Eco Bubble technology uses a bubble generator, which dissolves detergent into the water and injects air to produce a rich soapy cushion. With this technology, the detergent better dissolves into the water and quickly penetrates into fabric. The bubbles minimize fabric damage and provide powerful cleaning, even at low temperatures. Are you having trouble with stains? With just a simple touch of a button, the Bubble Soak technology can help you remove a variety of stubborn stains. Clothes are thoroughly soaked in bubbles, so that the stains are removed completely, yet without any damage. The inbuilt digital inverter motor rotates smoothly and consumes less energy, while a non-inverter motor rotates with resistance, causing noise and vibration. It delivers superior energy efficiency, minimal noise, and long-lasting performance. We design your home and everyday life. Samsung Digital Inverter Eco Bubble Washing Machine.